Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Zoho account. Whether it's Zoho Mail, Zoho Books, Zoho CRM, Zoho Calendar, or any other Zoho app, it's the same process for all of them. Let's get started. First, go to accounts.zoho.com. You should already be logged in. If you want a shortcut, just click on your profile icon in any Zoho app and then click My Account. That will take you directly to accounts.zoho.com. Once you're on the account page, look at the left-hand panel and click on Settings. Under Settings, you'll see the option Close Account. Click on that. Important. This will permanently delete all data associated with your Zoho organization and all Zoho apps you use. If you're sure you want to proceed, click Close Organization. A screen will appear showing what will be deleted. If you want to delete the whole account, click on Close Organization and Account. Now, it will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your password and then click Confirm Password. After that, click Proceed again. Then scroll down and click Next. It will show you the domains and data that will be removed. Click Next again. Now, select a reason why you're closing the account. Check the box I understand and make sure Close Organization and Account is selected. Finally, click the Close button and wait a moment. You'll start getting logged out from all Zoho apps. Zoho Mail, Zoho Books, Zoho Calendar, everything. And that's it. Your Zoho account has been permanently deleted. Super easy and straightforward.